Hey everybody, this is Bethany from C6 Diva. Today I am reviewing this great little wireless doorbell set. This is from Kakazi. You get two doorbells and they have two different tones. So you can do the music one. And they have different options.
Welcome. Assalamualaikum.
So anyway, as you can see, there's a ton. I don't even think we've gone through all of them. And then they also just have the regular doorbell. So you can go with the music options or just the regular doorbell. And then, like I said, you get two of them. You get the little remote here. And then when people press this, they just automatically ring. This comes with a little sticky pad, so you can apply this and then put this at the door or wherever you're wanting it. And then put these where you need to be able to hear them. And then when they press the button, it rings. It also comes with screws that you can mount this as well if you'd rather do that. So it's a really nice little set. I got this for my office. I have it set up where they can ring a bell at the front so that I can hear it in the back, and it works really, really well. It's cheaper than having a doorbell installed. Plus you have all those really fun songs that you can do. You can check out the full review and more information in the comments of this video.